Oh yes, the blood still works. It does. Look at it. Well, hello and welcome to my channel. It's been a few months since I've updated, but guess what? At least I have some longer hair to show for it. My hair has grown like weeds, and I'm here to show you some of the growth here and also show you some of the setbacks, like these bald-headed edges, honey. They are thinning like Bible pages. It's crazy, but guess what? We're gonna fix it today with my best edge controls for African American hair, and also I'm going to show you guys how to cover up thin edges or bald spots with just 1 or 2 sprays, honey, and we're going to get it together and be back normal. Now, speaking of postpartum and edges and hair loss, honestly, I messed my own hair up because on this whole side of my hair, the edges are intact. So it was probably my routine. I don't know. But here we go. This is edges in a can. I got this from my local beauty supply store. It's by Red. And you can actually use it on your husband, like the men. This is for the men and the women of the community. Okay? So I'll link this in the description box as well as the other edge controls that I'm going to introduce later in my sit down talk portion. But all I do is just shake up the can and just spray along the edge line and just fill it in. Now, this also comes in multiple colors. I've seen all of the rainbow colors that are outlandish, but they also come in like a brown, darkest brown, blonde. I've seen burgundy, and I've seen more natural colors as well. So I'll link them all below. Now, I would say to kind of, if you don't want that fake beard look that a lot of men like to use with that fake stuff that they use, I don't know what it even is, but it looks a mess. I would say to go in lightly and then fill it in as you go and do a little brushing to make sure that it looks natural, because you don't want your hairline to look like a crime scene with that white marker drawn around the edges. Like that's crazy. Don't do that, please. But I'm telling you, look at that. I was just like, okay, that right there shook me. So I just grabbed a toothbrush, old toothbrush, okay? I do not use this toothbrush, honey, and don't use yours. Use an old one. Or now they have actual edge brushes that you can get from Dollar Tree, and I'll link some in the descriptions box for those of you who don't live in the urban area so that you can access the edge brush as well. It really helps tame your edges a little better because the bristle is small and short just for your edges. But now look, you see how good that looks? That looks like my hair. It looks like my hair. Like, look how much my hair has grown. This is just a little Bantu knot out anyway, and I'll style my hair later in this video too. I just want to do a 3-in-1. But yes, I just left it on for a few minutes, let it dry, and boom. Okay, so, hey guys. This is the talk portion really fast. I want to show you guys how I get my edges sleek. Now it is dry. Like, it feels dry too, but it's mine. It feels like it's my edges. Who's gonna check me, boo? Okay. Now we're going on to the best edge controls for women of color. All right, so first and foremost, to get your edges sleek, I'm gonna sleek mine up too. This, number 1, I'm not even gonna waste your time. Number 1 is the Style Factor edge control. This one is almost as equal as the Eben 24-hour edge chain. They're both, well, this one's $6.99, this one is $9.99. Honestly, I like this one. It was just harder to find Eben, so I just went with Style Factor. The only issue is that Style Factor does leave the white residue. The only way to really get rid of that is if you use maybe a mousse on top of it and an oil sheen or something. But after a few days, it will start to residue up on you. But the best part about it is that if you add water and just reapply it, it should be okay. But this is it. This is level 5. It says strong hold and high shine with natural argan oil. Okay, here's the thing about Style Factor, and I wish they would stop doing this. They've made so many different colors that people think that the hold depends on the color. And it doesn't. It doesn't at all. You have to go by the actual description where it says strong hold, water-based pomade. All of them say that. But where it says strong hold and high shine with natural argan oil, level 5. That is what you want to pay attention to, because sometimes they have level 4. This is the top tier one. Now, I don't know of a lot of other ones that are out that you have to order on Amazon. I haven't tried those yet, but I know for easy accessibility from your local beauty supply store, even some CVS's and Walgreens maybe, but for sure Style Factor. And if you really don't want it to move, you can add one of my favorite mousses. This is the Tresemme All Day Humidity Resistance. This is the Extreme. This is fire. If you put a layer on top of it, it will stick in place. I use these two combinations to lay all of my glueless lace wigs down, and it's been keeping my edges. Now this side fell out for a whole different reason, y'all. We'll get into it later. Or if you want, maybe you could try the Got to P glued. This to me brought my hair out years ago, so I try not to use this at all. I just do it for if I'm trying to do a ponytail situation. And that's it. Now, to replace that Got to Be, I love the Ebin Lace Wonder. This right here is harmless. It doesn't leave the residue. If I use this Style Factor or any other edge control, even the others that I'm going to feature, spray this on there. Even if you're trying to lay your lace wig down, spray this on there, dry it in place. It will stick. I love it. It was $5.99. This is the top extreme hold one. Excuse that raggedy dog out there. I'm about to get like Medea.
Brown, hush that noise. I kill that last dog you had barking. I will kill that and I bust a cap in my tongue.
Okay, I'm tired of these dogs. I'm sounding like Britt Edie, honey. All right, prime example. This one right here. This is the Edge Booster. It says extra strength and moisture rich pomade for thick and coarse hair. Lasting shape, style, and shine for thick and coarse hair. Maximum hold. This is not the most maximum hold. This one is the maximum hold, but this one works well without the residue for natural hair. I've been loving this one. It's just that with this one, I've learned, especially when it's not super fresh, like you didn't just buy it straight out of the store, even if you haven't, it's best to use this and apply that mousse. Apply the mousse and then lay it down, and it will stick like glue, and it won't leave a residue. Okay, I'm rhyming. Okay, I like that. Yes, but or you can use this and use one of those sprays. I prefer the Ebin Wonder Lace spray that just holds it in place. Use a blow dryer and boom. I'm about to do the demonstration, but I want to introduce the other two. I'm sure people already know this, but if not, I am a huge fan of Ebin. This was around before Style Factor. I think these are all like $9.99 now. This is or $7. This one was $6. But the difference between these two is this one says extreme firm hold. This one is like the equivalent to this one. This is like level 4 out of 5. These two are level 4s out of 5. I feel like they do hold the edges down for a little minute, but if you want it to be frozen, you need some extra support, like some mousse or something, or a spray. The old school Pump It Up spray. I have that sitting over there as well. This one is the Extreme Mega. You see that it says Extreme Mega Hold. Extreme Mega Hold. This is the top tier one from the Ebin brand. Now, it did used to leave a little residue. It left a little residue. It's clear. It smells really good. It's almost gone. That's how good it is. It smells good. It really does smell good. Like, it'll hold it in place. It's really lightweight. I feel like it's more lightweight than the Style Factor. It is. Like, you see how good that looks already? It looks good. Lightweight, smells good. It's just that when you want your hair to be hard and crunchy, you might want to go with the the Style Factor. This one to me seems more oil-based. It might be water-based. I mean, it has water in it, but I just feel it has castor oil in it. That's what may make the difference to me, because it seems more moisturizing in a way. But, you know, it is what it is. Let me go ahead and apply my favorite, because we got some business to take care of, girl. I gotta do my hair. So this is the tutorial part. Kick off your shoes and relax your feet. Party on down to this video beat and kick it. That's what you can do right now, because I'm about to do my hair real fast. So these are just 4 Bantu knots. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, and then the one in the front. And let me tie this back up real fast. This is how I did the Bantu knots. I've been wearing my hair like this lately, like half up, half down, because I have been tired of wigs. And I know my husband loves my hair natural, but he really loves my hair with the extensions too. As long as it looks good and natural, he does not care. The draws will come off either way. He'll be all right. So for convenience though, I've been tired of having to straighten his hair. I'm tired of this strap falling. I think I want to do half up, half down. Just a little bit, not a whole lot up. Oh, dog, her crunching. Is that her hair crunching, honey? Okay. And oh, I'm so glad I have this in front of me, this camera. I'm glad you all are here helping me do my hair, because I hate a raggedy part. Y'all heard that dog? Oh, I'm so tired of him. He is just so lonely. I'm so sick of these lonely animals over here. With that old, I'm so sick of being lonely. Every night while my owners go out with their homies. I'm so sick of that spirit on them. Tired of them dogs. Oh, girl, just lonely. Broken hearted, like Brandy. Okay. All right now. Sitting up in my room. Now, hold on. I'm going to use this one first. This really is doing the job. Like, for real. Look at my edges now. Like, they really have come through. Like on that side. Okay, now let me show y'all the magic. All of these edge controls are clear, by the way. They're all clear. And I feel like all of them look light. Now, this one feels lightweight until you get to that place where it don't move no more. Like, it does not move anymore, girl. And I hate when my students say it don't. I'm just being funny. Trust me, I know grammar. Saints, please. Oh, gosh. See, I got a bald spot right there. I'll spray it later because I don't have time. I don't know what's going on. And I can't blame wigs. I don't know. I just don't know. This is a boyfriend brush for some reason. Now, for real, it's like a bower head brush. My husband has one, so I went ahead and bought my own because I know he didn't want his hair. Ooh, okay. It smells like mine. It works. It works. Oh, yes. The blood still works. It does. Look at it. Ow. Ooh, it's starting to stiffen up. Starting to get stiff. This is what it looks like without anything on it. It's a really good edge control. If I wanted to make it freeze, I could. I would just add more to it. But I think that it looks good. I can spray some more here and there and just let it cook. Let it cook. Ooh, shoot. I could rub that in there. Let me see how good it looks. Really good, really natural. It could be straighter. I just don't want to do too much, like I said, because I'm about to change my hairstyle anyway. But I just want to show you guys some tips and tricks and, you know, how to get your edges to look fuller in 5 minutes and to do a quick little hairstyle and the best edge controls for women of color type 4 hair. So, yeah.